Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for SeatGeek. If you don't have a SeatGeek account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Click on Login. On the pop-up window, you will see an option for Sign Up Here. Click on Sign Up Here. On the pop-up window, you will see an option for Sign Up Here. Click on Sign Up Here. After entering, click on Sign Up. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for SeatGeek. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.